Welcome, I'm Joanne Dancourt from One Agency, JD Property Agents, and I'd like to introduce you to a wonderful townhouse at 42 Carters Lane, Fairy Meadow. Exceptionally convenient, this attractive complex is minutes to Thomas Dalton Park, Fairy Meadow Beach and the Taraji Beach Hotel. You are also only minutes away from the North Wollongong to Bulli Cycleway. So as you can see, there are heaps of lifestyle benefits surrounding you. What I love about this property is that even though you are close to all the above mentioned things, you are positioned at the rear of the complex, so it is very peaceful and quiet. You even have no rear neighbour as you back onto a playing field. The townhouse itself is 3 bedrooms, has an open plan lounge, kitchen, dining area and a single garage with internal access. Another benefit of living here is that you can walk down the road to the Wollongong free bus or take off in the other direction to catch the train, so travelling around is very, very easy. This property will suit someone wanting to take advantage of all this location has to offer. Thank you for watching. I'd love to see you at one of my opens and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.